Hi friends, this is Tanisha and welcome to my channel Diane's Paradise. Hope you all are doing good. Today I've come up with the recipe of Karimeen Pollichathu. Karimeen Pollichathu is a delicious fish fry recipe from Kerala. This fish recipe will surely take your food experience up a notch with its delectable flavors. Everyone have their own version of doing this recipe, but this is how I like to do and it's always loved by all. These are some fresh karimeen or the pearlspot fish. This is how I got them. So starting with cutting and cleaning the fish. These are ready. First give some gashes on them so that the masala will get through easily. The first coat of marinade will include turmeric powder, chili powder, salt, Kashmiri red chili powder, ginger garlic paste, juice of half a lemon, coconut oil, black pepper powder and few drops of water. Mix and combine all the ingredients. Once the paste is ready, marinate the fish with this paste nicely using your hands on both sides and leave to rest for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 minutes, shallow fry the fish in little bit of coconut oil for 2 minutes on both sides. To enhance the flavor of the oil, I have put some curry leaves in it before frying. Cook on medium-high flame for 2 minutes on each side. Add some more oil if required. Once done, keep them aside. And let's move on to the masala, for which we will require coconut milk. I am using fresh coconut milk here. Now make a paste of spices in a blender with some turmeric powder, red chili powder, Kashmiri red chili powder, some fennel seeds, green chilies, small piece of ginger, garlic cloves, salt, lemon juice and some coconut oil. Blend this to a fine paste. Now in another pan, heat some coconut oil. Put some curry leaves in it and then add chopped shallots and onions. Saute them till they become soft. Once they turn soft, add the paste we made in the blender and mix until the masala is cooked. Then goes juice of soaked Malabar tamarind. If you don't have this, then you can use regular tamarind juice or pulp. Saute the mix for 2 minutes and then lower the flame of the stove and add coconut milk about 1/4 cup. That's all, the masala is ready. Turn off the flame and now let this cool down completely. Moving on to softening the banana leaves. Simply keep them on the flame of the stove. This will help in non-tearing of the leaves while we make the parcels. Once all the banana leaves are ready, let's assemble our recipe. Onto the banana leaf, place some curry leaves and then spread a layer of onion masala and then place the shallow fried fish on it. Now coat another layer of onion masala on the fish. Put some more curry leaves on it. Now fold the leaf from all the 4 sides and tie using a thread. This can be shallow fried or steamed, that's your choice. I like to shallow fry them. We can prepare these parcels ahead of time and keep, then heat and serve just when we need it. Repeat the procedure with the other fish. We can try this recipe with pomfret fish as well, as Karimeen is not easily available in every region. If you are liking this video, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such recipe videos. Once they are ready, heat some coconut oil and fry each side for 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame. If you're trying this recipe, then don't forget to share me your feedback in the comments below. Once it is done, take it out from the pan and serve hot. Let me open and show you how it looks from inside. They are extremely soft and full of flavors. Hope you all enjoyed this video. See you all soon with another exciting recipe video. Till then, take care and bye bye.